Hi, this is John on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this video clip, I'll be showing you some additional safety rules when using circular saws. When using a circular saw, you never want to stand directly behind the saw. Always stand off to one side or the other side. The reason for this is if your board pinches as you're sawing, the saw will kick back, and if you're standing directly behind it, it's going to hit you. Because the saw blade will extend down below your workpiece, you never want to reach your hand underneath your workpiece as you're sawing. You also want to make sure that the lower guard will retract back down when you're done using the saw. A quick way to check that, lift it up and let it go. Also, before you set the saw down on any surface, make sure that that lower blade guard has been retracted and is covering the blade. Otherwise, you'll cut whatever you're going to set the saw on. Lastly, you want to inspect your workpiece to make sure that there are no nails in it. If you cut through a nail, it can damage the saw, it can damage the blade, and it could hurt you as well.